voice. You sure her parents aren't coming back tonight? Positive. They're 3 hours away at some fancy resort, and Jake's not coming home until Sunday. I froze. Why was Marcus here with someone else? And why were they talking about my parents' schedule? I heard Marcus again. I've been planning this for months. Every time I'm over here, I've been figuring out the layout, where her room is, when she's usually alone. Tonight's perfect. My blood turned to ice. Marcus, who'd eaten dinner at our table hundreds of times, who my parents trusted completely, who Jake considered his best friend, had been planning something. The other voice said, "What if she screams?" She won't. She trusts me. I'll just tell her I came to check on her like Jake asked. By the time she realizes what's happening, it'll be too late. I was shaking so hard I could barely hold my phone. I had maybe 30 seconds before they came looking for me. The front door was too far, and they'd hear me running. I was trapped. That's when I remembered something my dad had taught me about home invasions. If you can't escape, make them think someone else is coming. I quickly called Jake's number and put it on speaker, praying he'd answer. It rang once, twice. "Hey sis, what's up?" I spoke loudly enough for them to hear. "Jake, thank God you're here early. I heard you guys come in through the back door. Are you bringing Marcus up to my room now, or should I come down?" There